Are you living in a small apartment, or are you tired of hauling your laundry to the laundromat? Whether you're in a dorm room, an RV, or just need a space-saving solution, finding the right portable washing machine can be tricky. We've tested dozens of compact washers to bring you the 5 that truly deliver clean clothes without taking up much space. From basic manual models to advanced mini washers with multiple cycles, each machine you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So, I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Let's check out the Giantex portable EIG Hat Pounds washer. I've been testing this one for a while, and it's honestly perfect if you're dealing with a tiny apartment or RV space. You know that struggle of trying to fit a regular washer in a small space? This one's got you covered. What I really love is how you can just wheel it around and store it away when you're done. Super practical if you're working with limited space. The thing that really impressed me during testing was how hands-off it is. You just load it up, hit the button, and you're good to go. It's got 6 different wash settings, which I found super useful. Sometimes you just need a quick rinse, other times you want the full wash spin dry experience. And hey, you can actually adjust how much water it uses, which is pretty sweet for keeping those utility bills in check. Now, I've got to keep it real with you. The EIG pound capacity isn't huge. If you've got a family or need to wash BIG items like comforters, you might find it a bit limiting. But for regular loads of clothes, it handles them like a champ. The built-in drain pump is actually pretty clever, makes getting rid of the dirty water way easier than I expected. There are a couple of things to watch out for. Some users mentioned issues with water pursuer causing occasional overflow. I found that keeping an eye on the water level pretty much solves this. And yeah, getting replacement parts can be a bit tricky. But here's what makes up for it. The spin cycle is really effective at getting water out of your clothes. And if you do run into problems, their support team usually gets back to you within a day. Bottom line, if you're tight on space but want something that actually gets the job done, this Giantex is worth checking out. It's been super reliable for daily use, and the compact size is a real space saver. I've put all the pricing details and specs in the description below, if you want to take a closer look. Let me introduce you to the BANGSON Portable Mini Washer Dryer, a real lifesaver for anyone struggling with limited living space. If you're tired of the weekly trips to the laundromat, this compact machine is your solution. It can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry in one go, which translates to about 20 shirts. That's quite a feat for such a small appliance. What truly impressed me during my testing was its dual motor system. Spinning at 1,700 revolutions per minute, it ensures your clothes are genuinely clean, not just superficially fresh. The 360-degree tumbling action is a game changer, especially for those stubborn gym clothes that came out spotless. Plus, it operates quietly, so you won't disturb your nightwears. Now, let's address a minor inconvenience. You need to fill the water manually. While it's not as convenient as a full-sized washer, the space you save makes it a worthwhile trade-off. Moreover, it only consumes 410 watts, which noticeably reduces energy costs compared to traditional washers. One of the standout features is its ability to wash and spin dry simultaneously. The spin dryer can handle about 6.6 pounds of laundry and leaves clothes approximately 90% dry. While heavier items like jeans might need a bit of air drying, lighter garments like t-shirts are ready to wear in no time. Initially, I found the inlet hose a bit tricky due to its narrowness, but it became a non-issue with regular use. The build quality is commendable, with durable polypropylene plastic that feels built to last. Plus, there's reliable after-sales support if you ever need it. In summary, if you're short on space but crave the convenience of doing laundry at home, the BANGSON washer is a fantastic choice. It's been a transformative addition to my small apartment, making laundry days much more manageable. Check out the description for a link to the current price and more details. The Giantex Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine is a fantastic solution for those grappling with cramped living spaces or the hassle of frequent laundromat visits. Whether you're in a cozy apartment or a dorm, this compact unit can easily fit into a bathroom or a snug kitchen corner, offering a convenient laundry solution right at home. One of the standout features is its impressive capacity for a portable machine. The washing tub can handle up to 12 pounds, while the spin tub accommodates EIGH pounds, making it ideal for weekly laundry loads. If you have more clothes, simply run the spin cycle twice. It's versatile enough to handle everything from your sturdy jeans to delicate shirts that require extra care. The controls are semi-automatic, which means you'll have a bit more involvement than with a standard washer. You can set the wash timer for up to 15 minutes, and the spin timer for up to 5 minutes, allowing you to tailor the cycle to the dirtiness of your clothes or the delicacy of the fabric. This hands-on approach can be quite satisfying, giving you control over the washing process. While it's not the quietest machine comparable to the hum of a window air conditioning unit, the cleaning performance is impressive. In my experience with various portable washers, this one consistently delivers clean clothes, a feat not always achieved by compact models. A potential concern is the drain hose setup, which might not fit every faucet perfectly. However, you can easily fill the machine using a shower head or a bucket, making it adaptable to different home setups. These simple workarounds enhance the machine's versatility and usability. Considering its price, the Giantex offers excellent value. It's a reliable washing solution that doesn't require a hefty investment or a lot of space. If you're looking for an efficient and affordable portable washer, this one is definitely worth exploring. Check out the description below for the current price and detailed specifications. Let's dive into the BLACK+DECKER portable washer, a game changer for anyone navigating the challenges of limited living space. If you're tired of the hassle of shared laundry facilities or endless laundromat visits, this compact washer could be your perfect solution. It seamlessly fits into apartments or dorm rooms, offering the convenience of doing laundry right at home. What really stood out to me was the stainless steel drum, which is a rarity in portable washers. This material not only enhances cleaning performance, but also ensures durability over time. Setting up this washer is a breeze, thanks to the quick connect hoses that attach directly to your sink. No need for professional installation. If I can handle it, so can you. Plus, its portability is a major plus. With built-in wheels and handles, moving it around your space is effortless. However, it's important to note that this washer only supports cold water washes, which might not suit everyone. But on the bright side, the energy savings from cold washing can significantly reduce your utility bills. While the capacity is modest, it's ideal for singles or couples, though it might not suffice for larger families. Despite this, the washer's efficiency in handling everyday laundry needs is impressive. Safety features are another highlight. The auto balance detection ensures smooth operation by pausing the machine if any imbalance occurs, and the child lock adds an extra layer of security. With 5 wash cycles to choose from, this washer offers versatility, allowing you to clean anything from GYM wear to delicate sweaters with ease. After extensive use, I can confidently say the BLACK+DECKER portable washer strikes a perfect balance between quality and practicality. It's not designed to replace a full-sized washer, but as a space-saving solution, it performs exceptionally well. For those interested in exploring this product further, I've included all the current pricing details and specifications in the description below. Let me introduce you to the OurTech Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine, a fantastic solution for those grappling with limited living space. Whether you're in a compact apartment or an RV, this machine is designed to fit snugly into a bathroom corner or closet, making it ideal for anyone looking to maximize their space. The dual tub design is a standout feature, allowing you to wash and spin simultaneously, which is a real-time saver when you're trying to breeze through laundry day. One of the most impressive aspects is its capacity. The wash tub can handle up to 18 pounds, while the spin tub accommodates 10 pounds, making it perfect for a couple of loads of everyday clothing. The motor operates at 1,300 revolutions per minute, ensuring your clothes come out clean and nearly dry, ready to hang. If you're tired of the constant trips to the laundromat, this machine could be a game changer, saving you both time and money in the long run. The controls are refreshingly simple, with straightforward switches for wash and spin times. There's no unnecessary complexity, just practical functionality. Plus, the clear window on top is a surprisingly useful feature, allowing you to keep an eye on your laundry without interrupting the cycle. It's worth noting that this isn't a fully automatic machine. You'll need to manually transfer clothes between tubs and drain the water. While this might seem like a drawback initially, it quickly becomes second nature, and the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Safety is another area where the OurTech shines. The overheat protection feature is reliable, automatically activating if the machine gets too hot. I tested this, and it works flawlessly. The sturdy handles make it easy to move the machine from one room to another, adding to its versatility. In conclusion, the OurTech Twin Tub is a solid choice for anyone needing a compact washing solution. While it requires a bit more hands-on involvement than a full-sized washer, the space-saving design and convenience of doing laundry at home make it a worthwhile investment. For more details on specifications and current pricing, check out the description below.